I'm Manik Kalyaniwala. I'm a chartered accountant with about 30 years of experience. Presently, I am Executive Vice President Finance and CFO of Blue Star Limited. Treasury management encompasses the handling of the company's investments, borrowings, and anything to do with large financial transactions for the company. It also covers the areas of sourcing and structuring of finances for the company, handling the risks associated with financial transactions, handling the legislative and the legal requirements associated with financial operations of the company, and anything to do with investments, lending, structuring of finances, etc., is all handled by Treasury. Treasury also handles things like forex exposure, risks associated with various financial structures, or sometimes Treasury also handles insurance matters, etc., for companies. All companies of a particular size and above would generally have a large treasury desk or a designated person or a senior manager handling treasury. Normally, this is also directly supervised and handled by the CFO of the company, since treasury is a very important function for every company. WLC has developed a relevant and very comprehensive sort of course on treasury management, which is especially relevant for large Indian corporates. The course encompasses capital resource mobilization, management of debt and equity funding, handling of funding from multiple institutions, the accounting aspects associated with whether with debt and equity, the risks and controls required for that, for treasury operations, for hedging operations, for handling foreign exchange exposure, for handling forex assets and forex liabilities, and for basically everything associated with a proper treasury management in a large corporate. I would commend this course to students for that.